Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. Now here is a real rarity that you're going to want to have in your garden, but it's almost impossible to find. Oh la la. Okay, this is called Daphniphyllum. This particular one is called variegata, and someone at a nursery gave me this one, but it's just about impossible to find. It comes from Southeast Asia, so you're just going to have to go to Southeast Asia to find one. So these plants generally only have straight green leaves, which can be very attractive as well. And some varieties have new leaves that come out bright red. These come out bright green, but then they take on this fantastic variegation. This plant likes full sun or semi-shade, but it needs a bright spot with well-drained soil, and they are capable of getting about 20 feet tall. But if you get the variegated one, it grows much slower because there's less chlorophyll in these leaves. But I'll tell you what, everyone who comes to visit my garden goes, "What is that amazing plant?" And I always go, "Oh, la la, you're never going to find one. This is my all-time favorite plant."